Fired up to let them check out that ramp one more time. Once I get the signal, you're going to see these guys line up, click second gear, and fly high through the air, showcasing the biggest and baddest tricks in the freestyle game. Your floating Jad Knox, this man feeds off the energy of the fans. So when you see Jad take flight, you guys gotta get loud. You gotta get rowdy if you want to see Jad throw down. We're getting set. I think the boys are ready to rock and roll. Derek, Jad, I think it's time to get going and take flight for our fans. They're ready to rock and roll. We're ready to rock and roll. And let's see what you got in that big bag of tricks. First up on the list, it's your Florida native, Jad Knox. He's got a tight fit right there in the back. Let's see what he's got. Checking it out one more time before he goes off that ramp. With this short run-up, it's going to take all the skills these guys have. Here he comes. He's making his way. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big welcome. It's Jad Knox! Cranking the whip, showing his motocross background. Growing up just down the road in Ocala, he is one of the best in the business. Here comes Derek going to the ramp. Now, ladies and gentlemen, these guys are just warming up. You have not yet seen the big tricks. I think it's time to unleash them. Have your caterers out. Here comes Jad Knox. Kicking those legs off into the switch. They're now getting comfy. Lazy Boy, performed by your two-tour Nitro Circus rider of Derek Burlew. Massive knack, showing the Jeremy McGrath style coming off that racing. Derek is back to that ramp. Let's see what he's got. Building that speed. Huge one-hand seat grab Indy. Homestead, Florida, what do you think of our Freestyle Dream Team? Big hit there coming out of Jad Knox. Following up with that seat grab. Here comes Derek Burlew. Cranking out the huge switchblade. I think we're rolling into the last hits of this session. Have those cameras out. You're going to see these guys one more time. Jad Knox pulling that speed. The switchblade Indy. Getting the combos dialed. Massive extension from our riders. Here comes Derek one more time. Huge double grab hanging onto the back of that bike. Ladies and gentlemen, you just witnessed our Freestyle Dream Team.